Today we're going to talk about how to use Quick Start to auto-locate the current field. Quick Start is a useful way to speed up the performance of standard tasks typically used by the operator to complete a job. From the main Run screen, touch on the spanner icon to switch to the Setup screen. Under System, Features, Guidance, select Job Helper mode. Change to Quick Start and tick to confirm. Enabling this option adds the Quick Start icon to the Run screen and the Features menu. Touch Quick Start. In the Options column, select Change Field, then touch Option State to set to Enabled. This puts a tick beside the Change Field option. Now touch the Action button and select Auto Locate Field, followed by the green tick. In the Options column, select Change Job, then touch the Option State to set to Enabled. Now touch the Action button and select Create Job, followed by the green tick. This presents a new action called Set Job Name. Now touch Set Job Name. In this example, we will leave it set to default so that the job is automatically named, thereby reducing operator input further. As you can see, there are other options that can be added to the Quick Start process in the same manner if desired. Now touch on the Running Man to return to the Run screen. Here you can see the Quick Start icon is now visible. I'm just opening the Job Information mini view on the Job Settings tab to show the last active client, farm and field. Now drive to the desired field and touch on the Quick Start icon. In this example, I am presented with a message saying No Enclosing Field Found. This is because I'm not currently within a saved field. Do you want to use the closest field 9, which is 4 meters away? I touch on the green tick to select Yes. You can now see that I'm just outside of the nearest field selected as indicated by the blue boundary. The Quick Start procedure also shows that a field has been auto-located, a new job with the default name has been created, and the Quick Start procedure is complete. Touch the green tick to close the Quick Start procedure. If I open the Job Information mini view again, you can also see the relevant current job settings. And that is how to use Quick Start to auto-locate the current field. I hope you found this video helpful and have a nice day.